This video describes the unboxing and assembly of the P3700 pressure washer. Unboxing. Begin by placing the shipping carton on a solid flat surface. Next, carefully cut the top of the carton open, as well as each corner of the carton from top to bottom. Then lay each side of the carton flat on the ground. Now, remove all items from the carton. Assembly. To assemble the knob-style handle, begin by sliding the handle onto the frame and then secure it with the included knobs and bolts. Now, add the pump breather cap. A red shipping plug is in the pump that must be replaced with a black breather cap. Next, using a flathead screwdriver, remove the red shipping plug from the top of the pump. Then, hand thread the black breather cap into the pump and tighten by hand. After this, secure the lance to the gun by carefully turning the coupler on the spray gun until the coupler stops rotating. Do not over-tighten. Be careful not to cross-thread the gun and lance. The threads on the lance and gun coupler can be easily cross-threaded, resulting in an improper assembly. Most of the threads on the lance will not be visible if the lance and gun are properly assembled. An improper assembly of the gun and lance can result in personal injury. Do not use if the threads on the gun coupler and/or the lance are cross-threaded. Organize accessories. Begin by placing the spray gun and lance assembly into the holder on the dashboard. Next, push the nozzles into the rubber grommets on the dashboard. The dashboard label indicates the correct nozzle placement. Then, hang the high-pressure hose on the holder. For more information and additional accessories, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit PolarisPower.com.